Good morning, Tracksters. Just a quick video here to remind you about this Friday. If you weren't in attendance at our Zoom meeting last week or missed the message, we're going to do a special Zoom this Friday to recognize the fact that we would have had our East Region Outdoor at our home field this Friday, kind of the big finale of the regular track season. And we're going to do something a little different to replace that. If you weren't in attendance or haven't heard yet, you have about 2 days to mentally, physically, and musically prepare here. But we're going to have a Zoom Idle Track Tunes Zoom at 10:30 our usual time. Now, don't let the word idle throw you off. We're not going to have any judges. We're not going to have any winners. We're not going to have any prizes. But that was just the name that some of the older athletes had thought of. So what is this? Okay. So what we're going to do here is just kind of band together and talk about how music has played a part in our life. Doesn't mean you have to be presenting or playing anything. Okay. You can merely just join in and enjoy it. But if you do have some abilities or you're not shy, we would like to have people play something, sing something, whatever works for you. Even just talking about maybe some of your favorite songs you like to listen to before an event or before a competition. Okay, you could even just play the song for us on a speaker and we can listen to it, or suggest things. It's all up to you. Okay, you're the creator here. So, or you can just join and enjoy. You can just log in and watch, listen, and enjoy it that way too. There's nothing wrong with that. So there's a sign up list available, a Google Doc, the Google spreadsheet, I guess, and it will be attached to this message on Classroom. Okay, so let's fill that schedule up. We have couple people have filled in slots. You put your name and things wherever you want, and we'll just kind of do a rolling schedule. If someone's not there, we can skip them and go to somebody else, and we can fit them in when they show up. So there's a lot of options here. One tip, I did do a kind of a rehearsal Zoom Idle with some of my family members around the state, and one thing we found is earbuds might help you to hear what the person is presenting. So rather than the speaker on your phone or an external, laptop speaker, a set of earbuds my sister-in-law found actually helped her to hear what was being played better. So just a tip you guys probably already knew. We're also going to do our team photo on that day during the Zoom Idle. So I have a slot for that. We'd like you to be there for the whole meeting. And so we'll do the picture towards the end, but this is what's going in our yearbook. So, it'll be kind of like a Brady Bunch thing, but should be kind of fun anyway. Okay. You can wear your uniform. You don't have to, but we do need to see your face. Okay. Here's the information from Mr. Berglund. This is his email he sent all coaches, and this explains kind of the idea here. So if you need to, you can sure pause the video here, read that, get his idea there. But Matt's Mr. Berglund is our yearbook advisor. He does a great job, and he just wants to make sure that everybody gets credit for what they're in. Other yearbook information, we need, typically we have pictures of track meets and things like that. We're not going to have that this year. So spring sports, have somebody take a picture of you playing your sport at home. All right. Running the 2-mile or hurdling or throwing a javelin, pole vaulting. Be creative. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to have a a set of blocks or an actual hurdle or pole vault runway or anything like that, be creative. I will create a Google Doc, and you can get me those things. I may not make that Google Doc until after Friday, just because I don't want to confuse any of you guys, but if you guys start, accumulating pictures and stuff, hang on to them so we can get those uploaded soon. Also, as we discussed last week, Taylor Baker is now running our Twitter account, Girls Track and Field for Central Twitter account, and she is working on a couple of things that are noted here on the screen. If you have any ideas or recommendations or material for Taylor, please give her a holler. You could always email her through school email if you don't have her number. If you are struggling to get a hold of her or something, contact me. I can get you guys hooked up there. And we'll talk about this on Friday too, the Zoom meeting. Need to make a recruiting video for incoming 9th graders for girls track and field. Anybody has a good idea or wants to just make it, let me know. I need a video by the 19th. So if I haven't heard from anybody by Friday, then I'll have to whip something together. Oops. Okay. So we'll see you Friday a.m. Hope to see everybody there. Try to be on time so we can start promptly and get everybody going on their weekend. And this week, stay current with your schoolwork. Stay moving, stay active. Work on getting ready for summer. We're almost there. So, all right. Take care and hope to see you in 2 days.